This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is NotYourAdvisor.com with NYU grad on August 21st. Welcome to podcast number 512. Well, I'm going to cover the typical flow today of the markets, but I'm also going to be covering a Walmart anatomy of a trade where I booked about a 40% gain with paying subscribers today, why I entered, when and why I exited. So that should be fun. Stick around for that. Just a bit of macro news before I jump into breadth. It seems that there are problems in Del Boca Vista, Florida. If you take a look at 13 of the 16 largest declining home values, they are in Florida. All the metros are listed in the show notes. I do have a poll asking what comes first, a balanced U.S. budget or World War III. One other piece of data that I want you all to watch out for with NVIDIA earnings coming up next week is the $170 level. If we get there, that's a big if, watch for either fierce defense and or, we can have both, and or breakage from that level. I'm including the PNF chart for NVIDIA. You can clearly see that was the recent low. It's done nothing but go higher since the April lows, but an important metric to watch for. So I'm recording this with 5 minutes to go. The markets are pretty red, but nothing to panic over. The Dow is down 146 points, the Nasdaq's down 68 points, and the S&P is down 24 points, roughly 1/3%. Looking at breadth, we had 96 new highs on the NYSE versus 96 new lows, 50-50. We had 47% advancing versus 51% declining, 48% below the 50-day, and 51% below the 200-day. Looking at mega caps and Mag 7, all are red. Microsoft down marginally, down 0.05%. NVIDIA's down 0.36%. Apple's down 0.61%. Amazon 0.75%. Tesla down 0.6%. Meta down 1.1%, and I misspoke. Alphabet is up 0.35%. Many of the consumer defensive names like Walmart, Costco are negative. Walmart's down 4.8%, Costco's down 2.7%.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to NotYourAdvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.